Okay, everyone, this is the easy, quick, frugal breakfast that my mom used to make. All of us kids growing up. Got 4 eggs in here. She had 9 kids, so she would do this at least twice, so each kid would have their own egg sandwich. Just beat the eggs real good. Make sure the pan is nice and hot. Not too hot, but I think it's good. Okay. So sometimes she would have 2 pans going so she could get them done quicker. Or sometimes she would just do one set of egg sandwiches and then maybe a half hour later do the other set, because there was older kids and younger kids. We all left for school in a couple different shifts of time. So we all didn't get up at the exact same time in the morning. So this is only taking 4 eggs, but my mom's, of course, used 8 to 10 eggs at least every morning. And my dad left earlier than everybody for work, and so we went through a lot of eggs, but they were super cheap back then. Like I said, over 50 years ago. So we had to learn how to stretch the pennies, for sure. This is really good to have a really good non-stick pan and a good amount of oil and butter, or one or the other, or both. I like a little of both. Almost ready to flip. This is a tricky part. I'm not as good at it as my mom, of course, because I don't cook for a large family. And I haven't had this in years. Although I do cook a lot. I love to cook. I don't even... wonder if I do a flipping motion, if that'll help. There we go. Oh well. Just trying to fix that hole, but it's just gonna have to stay there. Okay. Now you can turn it on low. It only needs a minute. And then I'll show you what she did next. Okay, so she just take the spatula, do this, cut it into 4. That's 4 egg sandwiches right there. And then I'll turn you around and show you what she did next, which just really made it really good. Okay. So then she would no toast, because it would take forever for her to toast everybody's bread. She just buttered some piece of bread. And then she brought over the egg sandwich like this. Or the egg, I should say. And of course, all the bread was lined up. And she just throw it on all of them. And then whoever wanted salt and pepper could do that. Not everybody liked pepper and salt. And it made the bread even warmer and softer, and the butter melted with the egg. You get a knife. So delicious. Whoops. Gonna try it. Okay. Gonna try it now. Mmm. Soft and warm, buttery. Brings back memories. So good. Mmm. For big families, this is a really quick and easy breakfast when you're trying to get the kids out the door. I hope you guys try it, and I hope you guys like it. See you later.